should you do influencer marketing? The answer is most likely no, especially Instagram influencer marketing. Because you have to see the world of influencer marketing has become like playground for criminals, especially on Instagram. You have people who have fake followers or botnet of followers who is like acting real. You go there, you often pay way more than you would spend on any other network to reach 1,000 people. So it's often overpriced. Then you're getting fake engagement. The really professional fake Instagram influencers, they have their botnets. So whenever you're buying a campaign, they will make sure that you're getting some engagement. Some people will like it, some people will comment on it, and you will think, oh wow, that looks great. I can report this to my CEO and say like, our influencer marketing campaign worked really well, but in fact you get nothing. If you check out how many clicks you got to your website and you have special tracking links and you see how many actually sales you generated, the number is often zero. A lot of likes, comments, and nothing behind it. So don't get scammed by influencer marketing. If you want to work with a real influencer, the place where you can do it primarily would be YouTube. Find someone who's really niche specific, where you know this is like a personality, and if they're talking about a video, it's creating attention in the right audience that are really likely to buy something. As an example, a good example, let's say you are developing like a new backpack and there is like a backpack review channel. Believe it or not, this exists. And some people are really into bags, so they follow this channel. They are really interested in this kind of gadgets. So if you see like if an influencer in this space would like make a review of your backpack, you can be sure that some people who are running a backpack review blog and they're seeing this video, this might get you into like some other fields. Well, someone is writing a review about you on a blog post because they saw the video. So it's like spraying to the right circles where people have really niche focused interests. But never do it on platforms like Instagram or Twitter, where there is a huge number of spam and fake followers and fake engagement.